up, guys? We're back, and today we are making snow slime. We've never made it before, and we're gonna make two different kinds. I'm gonna do mine with just glue, contact solution, and this instant snow powder. And Aubrey's gonna make hers with
shaving cream and the
contact solution.
Yeah, contact solution and glitter.
And the instant snow.
Yeah, and the instant snow.
The difference between ours is you're adding shaving cream, and we're gonna see what happens with it. So let's add our glue. They're gonna be kind of big batches. We're gonna do 2 bottles of glue each.
Yep. Oh, this is like watery.
It's just me and Aubrey today because Mark and Ava took off to go fishing with their friends.
Yeah, and I wanted to go, but then like I was gonna go somewhere else.
And we were just so excited to make this snow slime that we just had to do it.
Ava really wanted to do this, but she made her own, and then she added some when Morgan and Mackenzie spent the night. In the morning, when you went downstairs, she
tried to make something like this, but it didn't work.
Yeah, she made slime. She had her slime, like her favorite slime ever, and she added stuff to it, and then she put that stuff in it, and it ruined it. It looked like a sponge. It was bad.
Dun dun dun.
She was so sad. Because
slime fail. I feel like a professional slime maker.
I didn't even give my
I'm going to start activating this glue stuff.
This is my second thing of glue. Jeez, Mom, look how much glue I have already.
I know. I'm trying to remember how Ava taught me to do this with the contact solution and the glue.
I know, but
this is
don't
what
you guys
started.
do not like when that happens, because like you try to put glue in it and then like you know there's more in it but it won't come out.
I don't know if I should add the instant snow right now while I'm adding the contact solution.
Yep, I'm just gonna wait.
Or just try and get this to be activated.
Oops.
We're trying not to be messy because Aubrey and I have to leave soon to go to my work graduation.
Yep. So, should I add this first?
I did. So I hope it works.
Alright. Start mixing. Mix.
I think we have to add a lot of contact solution because we have a lot of glue. But I'm going to add some of the snow and see what happens. I don't know.
Mine's starting out, like, it's getting thicker, but, like, when I put it up like that, it looks like it's just liquid.
Ooh, it's definitely... You know when you see snow outside and the sun's on it and it's all sparkly? That's kind of what this looks like right now. Fly. Shoot fly, don't bother me. It's just a fly.
It landed on my eyebrow. Get away from me. Oh. No, stop it. That was a slime fail. That was another fail for me. Thank you, Mom. I'm gonna switch on to my other one. Yeah, I'm trying not to be messy with this.
Well, I think it's time to take it out of the bowl, at least for me. This looks like a giant snowball.
Hey, Mom, I got a joke for you. What do you call a fairy that doesn't take a bath?
What?
Stinkerbell.
Stinkerbell. What does the interrupting cow say? Moo. I messed that up. I was supposed to interrupt you.
Yeah, that didn't work.
Oh, no. Oh, you guys, it's hairy. Look at that.
It's supposed to be like that, Mom. It's working out for you.
Look.
Whoa.
Okay, stop.
It's cool.
Look at it. It's like spider webs.
Yeah. I'm gonna stick my hands in now.
Okay, it's cool and it's slime and it looks like snow.
Whoa, guys.
But it's so sticky that it's not very satisfying.
Mine is.
Don't get dirty.
I'm not.
That should be the real challenge. Can Aubrey stay clean throughout this whole video? This whole slime making process.
Oh, this is gonna be hard. Mom!
It is pretty cool. I mean, look at that.
I'd say it is,
That's
but,
totally
like-
weird looking slime.
Yeah, definitely.
This would be kind of cool for Halloween, you know?
Like spider webs.
Something like that. But check it out. It does look like a pile of snow.
Guys, look at mine.
Aubrey's has the shaving cream in it, remember? So hers, you can see the bumps in it from the snow, but it's not as
Much as yours.
crystally looking as mine, I guess.
Hello.
You know? I don't know. Should we add glitter to it now? Maybe the glitter will help. Maybe it'll ruin it.
I want to add glitter to mine, but I don't because I've never had white slime before. Oh yeah, fun fact about me. Fun fact of the day. Aubrey, that's me. I have never had white slime in my life.
Never.
Never.
It's always colorful.
It's always color. I love unicorns and I love colors, so.
She loves unicorn colors.
And mermaids. Mermaids are cool too.
I think everybody loves mermaids and
I
unicorns,
need
you know?
to see. When are we gonna? I need to see the new episode of Siren. Siren is such a good show.
Yeah.
Evil mermaid.
Well, I like the way that this turned out. I think it looks pretty, but it's
Glittery
definitely crazy sticky.
If you guys don't see
So
that, it's
unless we
green.
keep working at this, and
If you guys don't see
it's
that,
not too sticky anymore. Look at that.
it's very green and like gold green. So I can't stand my white slime without being colored. So here goes nothing with the color.
There we go. Now it's not sticking to my hands, but it still has that fuzzy snow look. And it was definitely the glitter that made it not stick to my hands anymore. So
Well, so
I think I'm going to add the rest of this because we only have a little bit left just to
Did you
get it
think-
more sparkly.
did you think this was a
Crazy
success or a fail?
sparkles. I think now it's a success. At
Before-
first, I was a little unsure. I was a little scared that it wasn't going to turn out right because that's crazy.
It's so beautiful. The bubble popped. There was a bubble in my slime and it popped. It was full of glitter. Yeah, I don't think that
Ooh, it even bounces. Kind of.
that does not look like snow. Snow.
That looks like a snowball.
Yeah, it does, but snow doesn't bounce.
It's a bouncy ball snowball, okay?
Okay, that'd be
I'll
cool.
be knocking on my snowball. Yep. You guys, that's way cool and it feels awesome.
Mine does too.
Now it's definitely satisfying. It almost looks like cotton candy. So cool. Oops,
We
I'm
need
not
to feel
stuck
each other. We need to feel each other.
with- Awesome, you guys.
I got a bubble. But it's full of glitter again, so I'm not.
Here's
gonna
Mama
pop it.
Kitty.
There goes Mama Kitty.
So is yours sticking to your hands anymore?
Nope.
Okay, off isn't either.
Oops.
Was it after you added the glitter in that it stopped sticking to your hands?
No.
You guys, this is so neat and different.
Like if you were to make regular slime, it wouldn't be like that. Like
No, I mean, it literally, you stretch it apart and you can see all the fuzz in it.
I wish
on
you
the
guys
snow.
could feel this right now. Like this is amazing. I love the feeling of my slime.
Can you see that?
You love the feeling of your slime?
Yes, it's awesome. This is probably the coolest slime I've ever made.
Me too.
So I think
Let's feel
for
like
our snow slime making,
yours.
Ob did hers with shaving cream. I did not. They both turned out pretty cool. They both are what we expected them to do, and I think they were a total success. So I hope you guys liked watching this. If you did, hit the like button, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already.
Hit that bell. Make sure to be notified every single time we post a new video.
Yeah, and have a good day.
Bye.
Later, taters.